Yo boy, it's your daddy yo. Happy birthday. Boy, I wish you have a good day today. Enjoy your day. I love you. Mama chup chup. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Miss you boy. Boy, may babati pa sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Jay!
Sup-supa na! Happy birthday, boy!
Pampapogi, pre!
Pampapogi! Oh, sige, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, pre! Okay.
So CJ, happy birthday. Wish like good health, more birthdays to come. And salamat sa mga counting training sa akin. Thank you.
Happy birthday CJ. Sana maging mabait ka palagi sa pamilya at mabuting asawa. Thank you and God bless.
Happy birthday, pre. Wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday, Kuya CJ. Sana matapos mo na yung project mo sa car mo.
Happy birthday, CJ. Sana magkaroon ka ng konting guys. Apply, what's fun?
Hi CJ, happy birthday. More blessings and good health for you, buddy. Take care.
Happy birthday, CJ. God bless.
Eyo, CJ! Happy birthday! Tumatanda na naman, isang taon na naman ang lumibas. Good luck sa lahat ng gagawin mo and God bless you and more blessing to come for you and miss you all.
What's up CJ? Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon, pare.
Happy birthday CJ, aka Flyha. Wishing you a year full of strength and confidence. You deserve nothing but the best in life. God bless you, mate, and enjoy your day with your family. And happy birthday. See you, mate.
CJ, honorary Philippines member Nathan here. Your lovely wife told me that it was your birthday tomorrow, so I'm just making this video wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Just wanted to say I used to skate by myself a lot, and you know, I started going to events and I met a couple of people and it was fun, but it wasn't until I met you and the gang that I really fell in love with skating again. So I am extremely excited to keep skating, many more birthdays to come. Maybe we'll be still skating at Davis's age, hopefully, fingers crossed. But all I can say is I'm coming out a lot more this season and skating a bunch more. So I better see you out there too. You know, you had your fun with your car, so let's go skate. Leave the car at home. Or actually bring the car. You need to bring your board somehow. But enough with the car, come skate. We gotta get the gang back together. Philippines +1, let's go. Anyways, love you, dude. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tito CJ. God bless you po.
God bless you po. Happy birthday, Yaya. I love you.
Hello, CJ. Happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless. Saka more birthdays to come. I love you. I miss you.
Hello po, Tito CJ. Happy birthday po. Ingat ka po palagi.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Go.
Happy birthday, Tito Loleng. Happy birthday, Tito Loleng. Happy birthday, Tito Loleng. Happy birthday, Tito Loleng. Pogi lagi. Happy birthday, CJ. Happy birthday, CJ. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, CJ. Happy birthday, CJ.
God bless kayo.
Ingat kayo dyan.
See you soon.
Yung mga hotdog nyo dyan, sana mapadala din kami dito.
Sabon, okay lang din.
Tumatanggap din kami nun. Ingat ka. God bless sa inyo. Bye-bye.
Go. CJ, happy birthday. Sana tumagal ka pa dyan. Marami tayong buhay, magkapatid. Nay, sige, salita ka. Oh, sige. Happy birthday. Ano, masaya ka na? Mayroon ka palang party-party dyan, Kumusta? Kumusta si Jay? Birthday. Happy birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, CJ. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo. At sana magkaanak na kayo ni Natnat. Wish ko yumaman pa kayo. Yumaman kayo mag-asawa. At kailangan kayo ng mga magulang nyo. Ng papa ni Natnat, ng mama mo dyan, ng mga kapatid mo. At ng mga anak mo, CJ. Magpakabait ka, CJ, at sana mahalin mo si Natnat. Alam mo naman, mahal na mahal dito yan. Mahal na mahal ang mga batang yan. Sensya ka na, sana makarating kami dyan sa inyo balang araw. Makarating kami ng tito rin mo. Ingat lagi, Jay. Wish ko lang, enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Mahabang buhay. Walang sakit. God bless you. Love you guys. Mag-ingat kayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, kinantahan na lang kita kasi hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko. Anyway, happy birthday CJ. More birthdays to come. More good health and more blessings. Tama ba? Tama. More blessings. Para yung crocs ko. De, joke lang. Sana pagpalain kayo ng Lord, kay ni Natnat, not only for this day, na special day mo, and for always. God bless you more. Pasensya ka na, haggard ang tita. Hindi ako talaga naka-ready o hindi ako nakapagpa-makeup. Dapat magpapa-parlor pa ako. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, CJ!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa iyo! Happy birthday! Tanging hiling ko ngayon, sana masaya ka sa araw na ito at maging matagumpay ang napili mong landas ngayon at gabayan ka lagi ng Diyos. Happy birthday!
CJ, may this year bring you endless joy, incredible adventures, and success in all your endeavors. Happy birthday and God bless you, bro.
Happy birthday, Tito Loren. I love you. Maingat pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Tito CJ. God bless you. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, CJ. Enjoy your day. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bunso. Happy birthday, Bunso. Happy birthday, Bunso. Happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday, Bunso. Happy birthday, Bunso. Ilan taon ka na, Bunso? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bunso. Yan.
Hello, kapatid kong Bunso. Happy birthday. I miss you. Sana marami pang birthday blessing para sa'yo. I love you. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Daddy. I wish you the happiest birthday and always stay healthy. And I miss you and I love you, Daddy. God bless you.